When we examine nature closely, we see a world beyond our imagination. Observational drawing has many health benefits. It lowers blood pressure, it quiets the mind, and keeps us in the here and now. A form of meditation, this slow, careful style of drawing is a tool that brings presence and awareness to our surroundings. Engaging in our environment and surrendering to our senses reminds us of the importance of our connectivity to our planet and each other. Whether you're an experienced artist or simply wish to nurture your soul, I invite you to join me at one of my nature retreats and to experience the calming effects of observational drawing. To find out more, visit my website at www.crystalbashara.com.